Hello, welcome back everyone. Thanks for joining me. So, what are we doing today? I thought I would do something a little bit different. And I am using casting powder. And this casting powder is from Harry and Will. All you do is add water to it and you mix. And I'm going to use Nicole Bowen. Okay, so I've put a little bit over here and I'm going to add some of this red to it. All right, so I've put a couple of little drops to it. We'll leave it at that. And we're gonna go whoops, I think that's it. I'm gonna shift that. And we're gonna go like this. And now we'll do this one here. And I have some left over, which I will do something with it. So let's see. Because I can't see what I'm doing here. Right. Okay, so we'll have to wait for it to set, but let me just say that it sets very, very quickly. And on hot weather, even more. Okay, bye for now. Okay, so let's have a look what this looks like now that it's set. And I've waited till the next day because I just feel that it's better the next day. Okay, so I rolled it until I got some of it off, and then the rest comes off. All right, And this one is from Temu. I've got the lights on because it's been raining and it's dark and horrible out there. So I had to actually switch the light on instead of just the daylight. And I pretty much done the same thing with this one. I've rolled it until I get one side out and then the rest came off. But look how pretty that is. Yeah? That's that one here. And now let's have a look at the one from Nicole. She's got some very beautiful I've got a few, but that can be fixed. And this one here, you take this off first. And now we will try and get the rest off. And I'm doing the same thing I did with that other one, rolling it down. But as you can see, it's much, much easier to demold than the one from Temu, which honestly was extremely hard to demold. This one here is much, much easier. And there it is. Look at that. How pretty is that? You can either seal it with food-safe wax, or you can spray it with finishing sealer. Right, I find that these are a little bit hard to do with the wax, so I tend to spray the tops with this one and do the bottom with the food wax. And it is very easy to do. I mean, the wax, it's a little bit hard at the moment because it's so cold in here. The room is exactly 17 degrees only. So it is hard, but it's very easy to do. I mean, all you do is you spread it on, and it smells beautiful, the wax. Just make sure that you don't miss any bits. And I'll fast forward this bit because I don't want to bore you guys. Okay, so having done that, I'm going to spray that outside because I don't want to breathe the fumes of this spray. Okay. So this is it. Look how pretty. So, so pretty it is. Yeah? And even that one is quite pretty, and that one is the one that's from Temu. And this here, I got it in Bunnings here in Australia, and I use it for cutting boards and charcuterie boards that I do. Okay? I will take some glamour shots. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. And this is a collaboration for the Friendship Express. Thank you to all the organizers And please make sure to watch all the other very talented artists in this collaboration.